Will the cycle count reset after the battery replacement?
Yeah,
Zero
it
to.
will be from 0.
Okay.
That battery will start from 0.
Okay. Okay. And also one more thing. I mean, just in case if there's again a problem in my battery in these 3 years till the time I have warranty till June 2014,
Yeah.
I can still, sort of tell Apple about it, right?
Yeah, see, that will be recorded. Okay. But only thing, suppose this battery we are going to replace it.
Okay.
Okay. Within a year, within your life cycle count,
Yes.
if the battery gives you error, then again you will get a replacement for the battery.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose within a year you consume this life cycle. Okay. Then you are not eligible for the battery replacement.
So consumed batteries are not eligible, but if it gives error like this battery,
yeah, technical error,
like this one,
yeah,
replacement
even
thing.
after 2 years also, if it is a technical error,
Because I have the Apple Care protection plan, I
Yeah,
can
that's right.
tell them. Okay. Can we clean this dust?
yeah, will clean. CTU model, they put a different story.
So the Philips or Torx something?
No, this is the one.
Oh, okay.
This is called Trilogo.
Okay.
Yesterday also I replaced it, but that is the CTU model, Indian models.
Okay.
This I ordered it, it's coming tomorrow. Here new setup, no?
So what is the difference between the old, and new setups?
Here this operation is new one. So we are all procuring it here.
Oh,
one by one.
Okay.
This is for sale. I request mine also.
Okay.
So that also I request it.
नहीं थैंक यू भाई साहब
पानी ना दे चाय ना दे ना दे आगे उसने वोट अपना नेता भी नहीं रहा अच्छा लगे वोट हमारे ये लोगों ने इलेक्शन तो पहला भी बिल्डिंग बोल दो तुमने ये आपने मुझे बताइए बोला ये बाजू क्या मल्टीपल कम से कम 5 अलग-अलग टाइम में डिलीवरी करी जानी है पूरी भेजी कर रहा हूं जितना डेली है 1.2 का एक का बता एक लिख दे हां एक का राइट से ना तो ले ले जान बता सैंपल जरा बोला डेली बता ये भी मार के लेने हां भैया आला तो बस ये देख लिया टेंशन उधर से मारो मुझे हां इधर देखो हेलो